Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to off this auto rotate mode setting in Vivo phone. As you want to off it, so you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So let's see how to off auto rotate in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on display and brightness setting. Then guys you can see auto rotate screen. So you can off from here your right side when you will click here. Then guys auto rotate screen will off in your Vivo phone guys. So your phone will not rotate. When you will rotate your phone, so it will not rotate. So I think friends you have understood how to off auto rotate setting in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. For now guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.